What's up, everybody? It's a little night in the garage here. A little DIY for you. I'm gonna get quick into it here. $5. Well, with the glue, maybe $9. Well, it depends on how much. $6, $7, $8. All right, full on drift wheels for your Arrma Senton, or anything that uses these rims, wheels, whatever. There's a caveat to this. There's with everything. Everything comes with a caveat, right? Which, they're really no big deal. You've already roasted your tires, right? You've roasted your stock wheels, and you got 4 spares sitting around, rims that you just don't throw these away. No, just don't throw these away. But these are just sitting here. You got nothing to do with them. Let me show you what I did. First step is going to be go to the store, get yourself a 3-inch PVC pipe, Schedule 40. Has the perfect inside diameter for this project. And I got a foot of it, which is enough to make probably 2 sets if you cut it right, which I screwed up one, so I'm not going to quite get 2 sets, but I think these will last a while, so I'm not really worried about that. This was like $6, $5, $5.50, so that's why I said these are $5. $5 for the foot. Second step, take your shredded wheels that you just have sitting around. These are 2.2 by 3 wheels. Blasted the tires right off of them. So cut all the rubber off, cut your wheels, take your foam off. You got this bare wheel here. Now these have a lip, a double lip, like a bead right here. This is not mandatory, so I'm not going to show you. But what I did was cut the inside lip, or I ground it down with a wheel. Basically just ground that piece of plastic right off that was right there. That's just gonna let me slide the PVC a little bit further on the rim. Then you cut your PVC into 1.5-inch sections. It's messy. Don't look forward to it. It's not that fun. But if you use a little handsaw, it's probably a lot less messy. It's just going to take longer. You're going to get something like this. Good enough, right? And then Bob's your uncle here. I got some all-purpose cement, and I'm gluing them down into here. This is going to be your final product. It's not going to look good, but these things are going to drift like no other, I think. And if they don't, well, I'm only out $5, but I think they're going to work really well. Maybe be able to blast these with some black spray paint or something, make them look a little more suave. But I like the DIY look, you know, the white walls. I'm going to call them the white walls. So that's it. Getting ready to pop this one in. Cement, and then set it down in. So, about to cut to some action. That's what everybody's here to see. Do they work? I don't know. I call this a great success, guys. I'm driving one-handed here, so I just started doing this. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing, but we got the drift machine. This is like no throttle. It's gonna take some getting used to. Not very good in the in the grass. See if we can hit a nice drift here. Tough one. Crap. Alright, that's going to do it for this tutorial. Hope you guys have some fun, because this is a blast.